sheriffs, they're the best in the business, bro. You fuck around in Camarillo,
yeah.
bust your ass, and throw you in jail.
Yeah.
You hear me?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, keep recording them.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Welcome back to San Joaquin News Network. This video comes to you from a newer channel called Rights, Camera, Action. The auditing cop watch community has grown and spread on YouTube like wildfire. But there's another community that existed long before us. A community that is so vile and un-American that they are being made fun of by real Americans. That's the bootlicking community. These are folks that love their oppressors. Many of them are racist. The Karens are also a part of this community. They believe in the just comply principle. If cops are brutalizing you, you must have done something wrong. Fight it in court, they say. These troglodytes will sometimes put blue line flags on their cars. In this video, one of these lost souls will show his foolishness for all of us to see. You will more than likely point your finger at your screen and laugh out loud at this buffoon. So let's venture off in the mind of what Stockholm Syndrome is all about. I will drop the original channel link in the description for you all. As always, let's get right to the video.
How are you, sir?
You okay?
Have a good night, please.
You first.
So let's give credit where credit is due. These cops didn't try to violate this man's rights. They didn't tell him to move back. They didn't shine a flashlight in his eyes. They ignored the camera. This is what all cops should be doing, ignoring the camera. They don't have to smile for the camera, although that would be nice. They should always stay professional though, especially since it's in their policy to do so.
These guys right here,
Yeah.
sheriffs, they're the best in the business, bro. You fuck around in Camarillo,
Yeah.
bust your ass, and throw you in jail.
Yeah.
You hear me?
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Yeah, keep recording them.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, watch out, dummy. Get out of here. Go home.
See that guy to the right guy?
Oh, man.
Do you mind if I spit shine your boots for you, sir? Would you like some more of my money, sir? Are you gonna tuck me in at bed tonight and keep me safe from the boogeyman, sir? This is what having Stockholm Syndrome in America sounds like. As much as it would have brought me so much joy to see this male Karen get spoon-fed his gerber of karma, he luckily stopped his bootlicker mobile right before he backed into an innocent person. Would his blue line sticker have saved him from being at fault? Absolutely not.
Cops hate you just the same. They want their safe pension. At the end of the day, they just want their welfare check and cower under the umbrella of officer safety. They don't give a shit about the people. In fact, they laugh at you, same as we do. Sure, I sometimes see privilege, especially if you live in an upscale neighborhood, but let's get something straight. It doesn't matter if you're Republican or Democrat. These cops are the same ones who made you shut your businesses down if you didn't enforce the mask policy. You all got a nice bitch slap across the face by daddy government.
So keep on licking them boots. Eventually, you'll back the blue until it happens to you. I want to thank you all for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the new channel and let them know we sent you. We are growing this community of smart people who understand what tyranny looks like. We are freedom lovers and real Americans. We don't support our oppressors. We record them and hold them to a higher standard. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well. Always record the police. See you on the next one.
Here they come. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. The Funk Rock Police. Here they come.